Can a student really earn Rs 1 crore in just 1 year? The answer is yes, but it requires smart strategies, not shortcuts. In this video, I'll share a step-by-step roadmap for students. You'll learn how to leverage digital skills, freelancing, and effective income stacking. Let's get started. First, master a high-income skill. Focus on areas like web design, digital marketing, or copywriting. There are plenty of free resources available. Websites like YouTube and Coursera are gold mines. Dedicate at least 1 month to truly get good at your chosen skill. For a bonus tip, consider focusing on AI-driven design, email marketing, or user-generated content creation. These fields are in high demand but have a low entry barrier. Next, it's time to monetize your skill through freelancing. Create profiles on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Start reaching out to potential clients. Even earning Rs 30,000 per month initially can set the foundation for scaling up. Here's a secret. Begin by offering your services to friends and college networks. Provide discounts in exchange for testimonials. This strategy helps you build credibility and allows you to increase your rates later on. Once you start earning, it's time to build your personal brand. Share your freelance journey on social media. Post about what you learn and your successes. This helps establish your authority and attracts inbound clients. Remember, one viral post can change everything. Freelancing provides cash flow, but don't forget to build digital assets. Think about creating online courses, ebooks, or Notion templates. You can sell these products through platforms like Gumroad or even your social media bios. Now let's talk about stacking income streams. With your personal brand and products, you can explore affiliate income, user-generated content for brands, or even consulting for juniors. You're shifting from earning per hour to scaling your income significantly. To reach that Rs 1 crore goal, set clear monthly milestones. To hit this target, aim for about Rs 8.3 lakh per month. Start small, perhaps at Rs 20,000, and double your income every 2 months. Keep track of your earnings weekly and be ready to pivot strategies if necessary. Remember, this journey won't be easy, but with the right skills, unwavering focus, and continuous execution, earning Rs 1 crore is within your reach. Start your journey today. 1 year from now, you look back and thank yourself for taking action. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for weekly insights on making money as a student using AI and freelancing.